Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to list for sale by owner on Zillow. We will also put links to great resources in the description below. To start, go to the website Zillow.com. Once on the website, you will see a sign in button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In. If you already have an account, enter the email and password in the fields provided. Then click on Sign In. However, if you are new to Zillow and do not have an account yet, click on the option that says New Account. Enter an email and password in the fields provided, then click on Submit. Once you are signed in, you will see several options at the upper left side of the screen. Click the option that says Sell. On the drop-down list, you will see a section that says Selling Options. Under Selling Options, click on the button that says Post for Sale by Owner. Next, enter the street address, city, and zip code of the property you wish to list for sale. Once entered, click on Continue. You will then be asked if the map shown below is the accurate location of your home. If it is correct, click on the button that says, Yes, it's the correct location. Otherwise, click on No, let me change it. On the fields provided, enter your price, 3D home model, photos of the home fax, the date for open house, additional information and your contact number. Once you have entered all the necessary information, read the Zillow Terms of Use and Listing Quality Policy. Once read and if you agree, click on the tick box beside I agree to, acknowledge and understand the following. Then click on the button that says Post for Sale by Owner. That's how you list for sale by owner on Zillow. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.